Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Quechua Ultra Compact Satchel. It's a 16-litre capacity sling shoulder bag design that folds up completely into its own little pocket for easy and compact storage. Depending on your region, it comes in 2 to 3 colour options, including pink, blue and the grey version which I have here. It's a great little bag to keep in your main bag for any time that you might need a small sling bag. The bag has a surprising amount of extra zippered pockets for such a compact packable bag. The front has one zippered pocket and inside you'll find another one. Aside from that, there's also 2 water bottle pockets on either side of the bag and a large 16-litre main compartment. The strap is also adjustable, although I found it a little awkward to adjust, but it is comfortable and has a fairly large adjustment range. In my testing of the bag, I found it to be very comfortable to wear, and the zippered organisational pockets are definitely very useful for dividing up your stuff. The zips feel well made and are smooth to open and close. The fabric does feel quite thin and I'm not sure what the long-term durability will be like, but I will do an update video later if I do notice any significant wear or damage occurring. I decided to see just how much I could fit into this bag and was actually able to fit quite a lot. As you can see, I was able to fit my camera cube, a packing cube with several clothes rolled up inside, an umbrella, water bottle and my tech pouch with a bit of room to spare. So it's definitely a great bag that is bigger than you think given that it's so compact. At a price of $10 US or 15 Australian dollars, which is about 8 Great British pounds, it really is a great bargain. It's a very handy little bag to keep in your main bag or pocket or even in your car for all those times that you might need an extra bag, especially while shopping. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Please leave a comment below, would you buy this bag or do you have one? And please be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with the future videos.